Here's a 2017 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, adaptive suspension, automated parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac." Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 754-220-2988.